Attention, Broward County home buyers, we have great news to share.
Did you know that Broward County has up to $50,000 for each qualified buyer that can be used towards down payment and closing costs?
So if you're looking to buy a home, condo, townhouse, or multifamily property, this workshop is designed for you.
We have designed this free workshop to inform you about the down payment and closing cost purchase assistance program available in Broward County. Funds are limited.
Workshop highlights will include credit evaluation, application and loan process, working with a real estate agent, title and closing process, and the do's and don'ts of home buying.
Bring your questions, we'll have the answers, and we'll share important tips. We'll see you at the next workshop.
Join us for the next workshop on September 14th from 1 to 2 p.m. Registration is required on Eventbrite. Location: 150 South Pine Island Road, Suite 300 in the conference room, Plantation, Florida. See you there.